Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I am so glad that it is warm enough now to when I drop my grandson off at the elementary school, I can come right out here and walk. I like to get my walk out of the way early in the day. When we get back home, let's try, I have that oak bracket fungus that I've already shown on the other channel, how to fire roll it and how to solar ignite it. Let's go ahead and empty BIC ignite it today and do another upside down fire. I have not had enough of the upside down fire yet, so. Boy, this oak was really hard. All right, let's see what we can build with this much material. This is pencil lead size. Looks like I'm gonna need 4 uprights to help hold those burning leaves on top of this. We are ready to give it a try. I got my oak bracket fungus and my empty BIC. And I'm just gonna pull some pieces off of this. That should be plenty. Do check out my empty BICs making fire playlist. It'll show you exactly how to prep this empty BIC to turn it into a fire maker and how you stick it up underneath that striker wheel. Let's give it a try. This is all kinds of different leaves. Have some birch leaves, some northern red oak, southern red oak, and water oak. I see some catkins in there too, so that'll help. These leaves have got a lot of moisture in them. You can see with all that smoke and steam coming off of there. Now, let's see what it'll do. Do me a favor now, before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I'll appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. It's hot. And remember, that wood's got moisture in it. I picked it right up off of the ground.